candidate is speaking, you are requested to listen. Start with the introduction again.
My name is Patel Vandavideo. I'm a second year undergraduate student of the Department of Mining Engineering and B.Tech Code. I'm a boarder of Nehruwala College. I'm from Nashik, Maharashtra. I'm contesting for the post of Central Secretary Technology, Technology Students Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, for the academic session 2026-2027.
The timer will not stop if the audience are not ready to listen and the candidate will also not speak. This is very clear. If you do not want your candidate to present himself, then make such noises. We do not have any problem in it. You can continue to state your purpose.
I statement of purpose for the post of General Secretary Technology, Technology Students Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, for the academic session 2026-2027 is as follows. Leadership is the ability to inspire action and drive results. This belief has guided my journey at Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur so far. I have tried to build things with taking responsibility and creating results that last. My constant urge to do better and make meaningful differences is what motivates me to come forward and run for the post of Central Secretary Technology. Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, a proud legacy of 75 years in technology. But I believe our role is not just to maintain it, but also to take it forward with the strong culture we already have. I aim to work upon ability to do so. My candidature for the post of General Secretary Technology, Technology Students Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, for the academic session 2026-2027 is based on my various requirements, curricular and extracurricular activities. For Shitesh 2025, I work as a Shitesh campus affiliate. Where I have handled corporate media branding and photography. I, along with boards of the Shitesh campus affiliate, am responsible for strategic placement of sponsors and partner materials of Shitesh 2025. My tenure as a core organizing team member for Shitesh 2026 enabled me to do substantial contributions in three major facets of the field. Namely, sponsorship, publicity, and event management. On the sponsorship front, I, along with my team, have successfully secured total alumni contribution of 7,65,000 rupees from the year of Mumbai Pune, marking a significant 22.3% increase from the previous year. I successfully onboarded Sri Maruti Integrated Logistics Limited, the logistics partner for Shitesh 2026. On the publicity front, I, along with one another core organizing team member, were next learning outlet in region of Maharashtra. I, along with four other core organizing team members, have successfully conducted Cascade JD College of Engineering and Management, Nagpur, for the very first time. With participation of more than 150 students. On the event management front, I, along with one other core organizing team member, was responsible for photography and videography coverage of the introductory seminar of Chennai 2026. Additionally, I was responsible for photography and videography coverage of Kolkata Tech Workshop with the participation of more than 800 students. For the first time, Bhubaneswar Tech Workshop, reaching its participation over 200 students. For Chennai 2026, I was a part of guest lecture team. I, along with my team, have successfully conducted an online guest lecture of Srimati Meerabai Chalu, silver medalist, Tokyo Olympic 2020. At the time of which we have conducted 7 guest lectures along with team of group captains, including Dr. K. N. Vyas, former chairman, Atomic Energy Commission, Mr. Rishi Kumar Shukla, former CBI director, Mr. Sanjeev Khanna, former 51st Chief Justice of India, Mr. Ashok Lavasa, former Election Commissioner of India, Mr. Bipul Chandra, Managing Director, Ducati India, Shri A.S. Kiran Kumar, former Chairperson, Indian Space Research Organization, and Dr. V. Narayan, Chairman, Indian Space Research Organization. I, along with one another core organizing team member, was responsible for approaching officials from leading companies for Tech Summit and Business Conclave. During Shitesh 2026, my first time responsibility was corporate media branding and photography, where I, along with one another core organizing team member, oversaw the strategic placement of branding material of all 20 sponsors and 64 partners of Shitesh 2026. Also coordinating with external photography team and core team of Shitesh for smooth coverage of the event and the overall coordination of press. Beyond Shitesh, I served as a sub-head at Maharashtra Bangalore, where I, along with my team, have successfully secured 7 partners for Ganesh Utsav 2025. I was direct point of contact of 3 key partners, including Ether as a co-title partner, Eximo as a travel and booking partner, and Ganduji as a snagging partner. We togetherly have secured more than 60,000 rupees for sponsorship and student-led donation drives, ensuring more than 15,000 participants for Ganesh Utsav 2025. I am also core team member at Technology Mining Engineering Society. I, along with my team, have successfully conducted Great Step 2026 annual test of Department of Mining Engineering, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, with participation of more than 250 students from various colleges of India. My association with National Cadet Corps has instilled discipline, resilience, and a strong sense of structural leadership in me. holding the position, but it is guiding students and supporting them in their journey of innovation and leadership. It comes with the responsibility to listen, take initiative, and turn ideas into impact. Through my experiences, whether it was doing sponsorship, managing teams, and interacting with people, I have learned to communicate confidently, managing teams, and handle situations with practical approach. These experiences, along with people I have learned from, have shaped my personality in someone who is ready to take this opportunity and present my candidature on the course of Children's Secondary Technology, Technology Students Diploma, in the Institute of Technology for the academic year 2026-2027.
Finalists, you can continue the question. Timer.
Hello. You have mentioned your hometown in your introduction. Why did you mention it? Do you want to gain regional votes? And also, if you are so proud of your hometown, can you give me your introduction in your mother tongue?
So, I request you not to make any comment on my candidature. I am not here to gather any votes from any community. And I have mentioned in my introduction that I am from Nashik, Maharashtra. Because the unique culture of Nashik has shaped my personality in a very unique way and the person I am today. And so, if you want to listen my introduction in Marathi is as follows. माझे नाव पाटील वसंत दिलेर आहे. मी थर्ड अभियांत्रिकी विभागाचा तृतीय वर्षाचा पदवीपूर्व विद्यार्थी आहे. आणि या विभागाच्या तंत्रज्ञान शाखेचे पदवी अभ्यासक्रमात शिक्षण घेत आहे. मी नेहरूच्या गावाचा आवासी आहे. मी नाशिक, महाराष्ट्र येथील आहे. मी शैक्षणिक सत्र 2024-2027 साठी भारतीय तंत्रज्ञान संस्था खडगपूरच्या तंत्रज्ञान विद्यार्थी जिमखानाचा सचिव तंत्रज्ञान या पदासाठी निवडणूक लढवत आहे.
तूने क्षितिज में कितना काम किया है वो हमें भी पता है, वो तुझे भी पता है. वो एक क्वेश्चन में पूरा रखूंगा. GMU एंड लास्ट टाइम क्षितिज के अंडर कब हुआ था और अभी क्षितिज के अंडर GMU क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, उसके रीजन बता.
So, I have mentioned all my work to Kshitij and Maharashtra Mandal Technology Mining Engineering Society in my statement of purpose. And answering to your question, it was the decision of stakeholders at that time, and I am not here to throw any comment on it. teammates from the same region and our taking our responsibility to taking follow-up from Adam.
Vardhan, you have mentioned the same area which Ved has also already mentioned, and you guys are mentioning the same fund that you both have accumulated 7,65,000. My question is very simple: how much individually were you able to complete? Because Gyan has already mentioned that he was able to secure 2 lakh rupees. How much individually you were able to complete?
So I would like to correct yourself. Yogi Reddy Kumar was assigned to Bangalore region and I was assigned to Mumbai Pune region. And so I believe it is the teamwork and I along with my team have secured 7 lakh rupees, 65,000 rupees from the region of Mumbai Pune.
Vardhan, state the events from Inter-IIT Technique 14.0 in which Inter-IIT Kharagpur hold a joint position along with which IITs, and what was the position and what was the criteria for this getting a joint position.
So there are total 70 events in Inter-IIT Technique 14.2, including 4 mid-prep events, 4 high-prep events, 5 mid-prep events, 3 low-prep events, and 3 no-prep events. And one more, the Student Academic Conference and Engineers Conclave. And answering to your question, Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur has secured gold in atom and land aerospace problem statement.
Hey, hi.
Vardhan, can you mention the first female General Secretary Technology at IIT Kharagpur?
Ma'am, the first female General Secretary Technology Students Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur, where for the academic session 2015-2016, Ms. Palak Goyal, Department of Humanities and Social Sciences.
Vardhan, your FTR was CMB, right? In KTJ this year, most of the posters were torn off by somebody. The posters were your responsibility. Keeping them safe were your responsibility. Do you think you have done a good job of performing justice to that FTR?
Sir, I request you not to make such baseless allegations and don't try to mislead the general body. No such incident happened in Shooting 2026. I, along with other core organizing team members, under the guidance of core organizing teammates, have successfully responsible for corporate media branding.
Vardhan, NPCI was the title sponsor for KTJ this year. All the creatives sent by NPCI, none of them were placed in the campus. Can you justify this? And if this happened, how can you prove your candidature for General Secretary Technology?
So, can you please repeat and be more specific about your question? proposal number 2, External Research Infrastructure Access Program. This proposal aims to help postgraduate and research scholar students access advanced lab, research park, and industry research and development facilities outside the campus of Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur. By creating collaboration and organizing visits and centralizing access system, it will be improve research quality. And proposal number 3 related to Open IIT Generative and White Coding Challenge. This proposal introduces an Open IIT challenge focused on AI assistant development where students use generative AI tools to rapidly build technical prototypes. And proposal number 4, digitalization, transparency enhancement of campus venue booking system. This proposal aims to digitalize the campus venue booking process by creating a single enterprise resource planning based platform for academic and establishment venues.
Great.
Patil this side. Jenta. Patil, regarding your proposal number 1, you have mentioned that you want to have department-driven exhibition ecosystem at cities. Now, I belong from Rajiv Gandhi School of Intellectual Property Law. How will I feel inclusive of this event? Because we don't present any models of something in exhibition. So, how can you include us also into this event is what I want to do. So my plan to do is I will approach every department, center and school at Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur for the same. And if the department, school have any prototype or model, they can present in the city's arena. Jenta, if you shout in this way, the candidates won't be audible to anybody in the store. I have already mentioned we don't present any models or something. So how can we see wireless stop? They are not going to start this until we are all supporters and the supporters will decide. Patil, I already mentioned we don't present any models or something because we are from law department. I just want to know, do you have any clear idea how can we also feel inclusive of this event? If not, you can just tell, I don't have any idea as of now. Sir, if you want to participate in cities, there are also the management events in cities, including Indian Test Challenge and B-Plan.
Private professors invest time in your exhibition. What incentives will they get?
Ma'am, if you would have gone through my proposal perfectly, I have clearly mentioned that in my groundwork, I have contacted various professors from departments, centers and schools of Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, and they have shown very much interest for the same.
Patil, success criteria look like for the Open IIT vibe coding?
Sir, can you please repeat and be more specific about your question?
I'm asking, you have stated vibe coding as one of the standard evaluations for the Open IT challenge. Can you define what will be the deliverables of the challenge and what will be the success criteria for the submission?
Sir, it will be the 2-hour event in Open IIT. And the problem statement will be given by the companies I have already contacted with. And I am going to introduce this event especially for the students who are not doing this event. And mainly for first year students.
Give the evaluation criteria as I asked and what will be the breakdown of those evaluation criteria?
Sir, answering to your question, it will be, I will discuss it in the subcommittee meeting held prior to the event. And after discussion with all the general secretaries of all halls of residences, it will be defined the criteria for the winners.
Vardhan, so in your first proposal, like there is a high probability that some department might fail to deliver the working models on time. So in that kind of situation, what are you going to do?
So, in case of the department or center or school is not able to give the model on time, we have also approached other departments and we can go with the other departments that have given the model. And for this 2026, we have the same from the Center of Excellence in Urban Planning and Design.
Vardhan here. My question is related to your fourth proposal. ERP changes involve institute level approval. Have you consulted administration or ERP team?
Sir, I have consulted with the current Thana representative for this and if I elected for the post of General Secretary Technology students in Thana, Indian Institute of Technology to report for the academic session 2026-2027, I will surely interact with the administration department.
Vardhan, तेरा proposal 1 Tech KGP, वेद के research connect के proposal से मैच होता है. तेरा proposal 3 ध्यान से मैच होता है. What is the difference between the proposals that you have given versus the other two candidates have given in a much better manner? Give me one point of differentiation. You have simply copy pasted whatever proposals they have given.
So, I request you not to make any presentation and candidate. And so, if you not do my proposal clearly, it is the different proposal from the proposal of Modi Venkateshwar Kumar.
Vardhan, you have, I am talking about a second proposal where you have mentioned very vaguely postgraduate and research scholars will get benefits. Benefits in the terms of infrastructure, in the terms of just random vague terms you have mentioned. I need more clarity on this proposal. Who exactly in PG and RS students will get advantages of this? Because you know, say for example, MBA students and MTech students of an engineering discipline won't have the same requirements. So what exactly will you bring through this proposal? I want specific details, not vague terms.
Sir, this proposal is mainly for all the postgraduate and research scholar students who want to learn and use the research facilities that are not present in Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. And there will be a portal for the same where the interested students can apply.
You are still answering in vague terms. I told to be specific.
Alex, no comment. If you have any follow-up.
Yes. Tell me which students will be benefited by exactly what? What will an MTech, my department is CC. What will an MTech student of an EC be benefited from this proposal? Tell me.
Sir, as I have already mentioned, any postgraduate or research scholar students who want facilities that are not present in Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur can apply to the portal and do the same.
But then, your first proposal shows department-driven exhibition. But the executive team of CITES 2026 have already worked on this. So how can you use the same work here? And what is different? If you are working different, tell me how is it different?
So I agree with you completely. We have communicated and approached the departments, centers and schools for the same this year also. But I want to bring it like the official event. And as mentioned in my proposal, I will approach the departments, centers and schools of Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur 6 months prior to the fest. And if you have gone through my proposals, I have also mentioned there will be a dedicated portal in the website of CITES for the same.
As a follow-up, can you also specify which departments were a part of CITES 2026 for department-driven exhibition?